Trauma can happen to anyone at any time, and learning how to recognize and treat it can be challenging for those who don't realize they're in trouble. 9 on your side, Chandrea Thomas has more on how CODAC is working to get help for those in need.
Experts say there's been an increase in trauma-related incidents, and the pandemic is making some situations a lot worse.
We've been seeing an increase in a lot of isolated trauma. There are a lot of people who are having difficulties.
Bill Owenby with CODAC has been treating patients with trauma for years. And he says these days you should pay attention to the signs, like a change in diet, more health problems, drug use, and irritability.
A lot of the grief trauma, they're running into situations that they've never really ran into before, where family members, friends, colleagues are becoming ill, and some have even passed as a result of the last year and a half due to COVID.
And the COVID-19 pandemic hasn't made the recovery process any easier, especially for strained relationships. Handling grief and loss from a distance can be difficult.
We've also been seeing an increase in a lot of interpersonal violence, domestic violence, whether people aren't going into work or they've lost their job positions. They're home alone more and together, so it is causing a lot more conflict.
According to OMB, most patients average between 10 and 15 treatments or visits to get their lives back. He also says new research from the Lancet Psychiatry Journal shows that COVID can have a lingering effect on the mind.
People who tested positive for COVID, they had almost twice the rate of developing a mental health disorder, whether that would be anxiety, depression, or even to the point insomnia.
The treatment process includes everything from medication management to employment.
We can do things such as our group treatment programs, one-on-one therapy, even specialized approaches such as cognitive processing. But treatment is effective, it's timely, and if you feel like you need to talk about it, we're here to help.
We have links to where you can get help on our website, kgun9.com. Chandrea Thomas, KGUN 9 on your side.
Now, your first warning weather.